Hello traders, Mr. Phoebe is here. This is voiceover of second Zoom meeting. So today we will discuss here buy side liquidity pool double top. What does this is mean that when there is a double top structure form and they are too clean, so there is a large liquidity pool rest above that. So what market maker do? They just let the price come to that double top and show us fake bullish momentum, and after that they just drop the market so down so that they will be profitable. Now see this with the help of video. Now this is my fake breakout after double top, and what happened here that retail traders see this as a bullish breakout and start buying. So after that market just goes down and down. So that is the what happened exactly in Bank Nifty. This is two levels of double top, 1 and 2, and those levels are too clean. So when Bank Nifty came to these levels, everybody was expecting that Bank Nifty will clear this with the bullish move but fall. Now see this in Tata Motors. This is Tata Motors, and there are also a double top liquidity pool, and market was fall there from 2 times. This one, when market comes, show some bullishness and fall, and again fall. On that day Tata Motors fall at least 8% in a day. Now try to understand how we can low our SL. This is option chart of Bank Nifty, and there is a break of structure occur. So after break of structure we should found the our 1 2 3 bullish structure, that is our order block, and this is my 1 2 and 3 candle. Second candle is lower than first and third, and third candle have some bullishness. So I mark this in 15-minute time frame and divided by 2, and this is my 15-minute time frame entry. So how we can lower this entry in lower time frames, so our stop loss will be lower. This is my 15-minute time frame now, and this is my SL. So move back to 5-minute time frame, and this is my 5-minute time frame, and again in 5 minutes my order block will be lower, and I will again cut it by 2, and this is my 5-minute time frame entry. Now again see this in 2-minute time frame, again lower this order block and divided by 2, and this is my 2-minute time frame entry. So what I will do, I will just spread my orders in 2, 5 and 15 minutes, so I should not miss any entry, but I catch all the lower entries, and that old above high is my target. This is the safe target where bearish order block may be formed. Now look at the risk reward. This is the risk reward in 2-minute time frame, that is 1:3, almost 2 point something, but my order block form in 15 minutes, so my target should also be in 15 minutes after price leave my order block. So I will try to achieve the target in 15 minutes with the safe points. Now see, this is 1:11, and this is 1:22. These are my target levels after reducing my entry. We can do the same thing with the Fibonacci. Here I am teaching that you have enough time to make the entry, because after the third candle formation you have at least 30 minutes to form this setup when two red candles are forming. Now see the bearish entry in the same case. This is the bearish entry and you have enough time to make this structure as a bearish entry points, and this is my central, which is my bearish entry in 15 minutes. Now try to understand what is liquidity wide. Liquidity wide is when market moves suddenly from one point to another and did not give any chance of the second type of buyer or seller. It means only buying, no selling. So this block is not completed, and what market do will, it will come back again here and fulfill or fill this liquidity void after some time. So this is used as a confluence. When we will short the market, so we will be assured that there will be a liquidity void below the 1 2 3 structure, so we will be sure that market will go and fill that void. Now see this again in another one-day chart of Bank Nifty. This is my liquidity void when market runs so quickly and create too many voids. So after the 1 2 3 structure form above, we will be sure that here 1 2 3 structure form, we will sure that market will come down and fill these gap liquidity voids. So this is just as a confluence, nothing else. This is my order block of one-day time frame, and see how market respect my order block when come again to this. And if you are not able to take greater risk, just divide it by 2 and enter with a one lot only. So just assume one lot and one lot selling, and you just got so much profit after that. See how price candles are rejecting this within the order block, and you can do this as a scalping also. When price touched my mean threshold, it just bounced. So there is a scalping choice, and that was my SL. There is a buy side liquidity resting above, so I am little bit biased about this, that market will clear that buy side liquidity. And this is my bearish order block, but my swing low is not broken properly, so I am not sure that this bearish order block will work, and there is a break of structure occur. If you miss that bullish order block entry, so there is a second entry of order block. See, that red candle is what I am telling, that central banks provide liquidity through those red candles. It means central bank is selling and higher institutes are buying. See, this is my order block and how price came back to this order block after leaving it, and how respecting my order block, this is my standard structure, and price touch it and go away. That point was for the scalpers to book profit. This is my swing low. I will not short the market till this swing low is not broken, and if this is my 1 2 3 selling structure, then I will wait to break that swing low and give closing below that swing low, so I will short the market after that, but I am biased about bullish. This is also a liquidity void I am teaching there, that market is always fill its liquidity voids. What actually liquidity voids is? This is the complete structure when price buy one side and sell one side. So this structure is complete in the sense. So price did not need to come back again because that structure is filled by buying and selling. This is I am showing the liquidity void. Again, price moves randomly and after that fill them in the form of retracement. Okay guys, thank you.